Good morning, student. This is Shamsundar Sharma. Today I am going to teach you a very important topic on tense. In my previous videos, I have already taught you about present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. Now today I am going to teach you about present perfect continuous tense. First of all, we should know about its identification. In the end of each sentence, there comes से रहा है, से रही है, से रहे हैं. Then we should mention about its rules. With he, she, it, name, singular noun, has been is used. With I, we, you, they, plural noun, have been is used. In the sentence, with has been and have been, verb plus ing is used. In the sentence, with a definite time, since is used. Just for example, since 10 o'clock. With indefinite time, for is used. I.e., for example, for 2 hours. Now I am going to teach you about sentence structure. Sentence structure. In simple sentence, we should adopt this type of sentence structure. Subject, helping verb, has been, have been, verb ing, object, since, for, plus time. In negative sentence, we have to use not after has and have. In interrogative sentence, we have to use has, have in the beginning of the sentence. In the last, I would like to teach you about the temporal verbs. With since, for, all the day, all the morning, all the time, plus time. Has been, have been is used. I am teaching you about 3 examples. She teach for 2 years. In the sentence, for, with the time comes. So, with she has been teaching will come. In the sentence, I read since 10 o'clock. With the since or for, have been, has been is used. With the I have been reading is used here. Hurry, play for an hour. In the sentence, for plus time. So with hurry, has been, verb ing is used. So now you have understood each and every concept of this tense. Thank you very much.